Okay, we're back at our favorite little food truck, El Jim food truck, at, what's it called? Lake Fayetteville Food Truck Court in Fayetteville, Arkansas. Tonight we're reviewing the El Jim Burger. No, why am I saying that? We already did the El Jim. No, we didn't. That was El Jim hot dog. We're doing a Diablo Burger tonight. And on it, there's bacon. Cooked soft the way I like it. Peppers. Looks like jalapenos. Yum. Hot and spicy. 2 onion rings. Can't wait to try those. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there. I like purple onions. Some tomato. Pickles. Lettuce. They usually give me more lettuce than I need, but I like it because I eat it on the side. Okay, let me see if I can get a bite of all this together. This is a giant burger. Ooh, beautiful. Okay, ready to take a bite? Ah. It's the first time I had their onion rings. I didn't even know they had onion rings. It was good though. It's so spicy. So far, this one's my favorite burger. The onion ring fell off. Okay. I see why they call this one a Diablo Burger. It's nice and hot. I mean, not too hot, like you can't eat it, but it'll definitely give you the sniffles. Oh yeah, that's my favorite thing. I love having the sniffles. Oh yeah, I can't forget this lovely here. Ooh, Dr. Pepper in a glass bottle is the best. And you definitely need it after eating that spiciness. Okay, let me see if we can get us another good bite somewhere. This burger's huge too. I think it's bigger than most. Onion ring. That's so lovely. That's lovely. Perfect. You know, this burger is very, very comparable to the Ruth Chris burger in flavor. Woo. Because Ruth Chris has got those fried onions on there. So having the fried onion rings on this one makes it very comparable. But this one's like a notch above that because it's got the jalapeno peppers on here, which are so delicious and spicy. Y'all know I'm all about spice. Okay. Did I rate this yet? Scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, no, what? Not 1, but 0 being the worst, 10 being the best. Whew, I'm sweating. Yes. That way you know it's a good burger. If you're sweating and sniffling, I mean, I don't want to discourage you from ordering this because it's not too hot. Like, if you're a wuss about heat, you can still handle this burger. It's not unbearable. But I'm going to give this one a 12. It's better than perfect. I love everything about it. If I could get this one every time, I would do that. So far, this one and that barbecued hot dog, barbecue pulled pork hot dog have been my favorite menu items. And it's really hard to choose because everything is perfect here. The only thing I didn't like was the buffalo wings. It really wasn't their fault. I just don't like buffalo sauce. It's just a personal preference. But my two favorite have been the pulled pork hot dog and this Diablo Burger. You gotta try these, one of these or both. Try everything. You'll be so happy. Okay, well, that's the end of the video. Bye, Dan.